Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. ANGELLE here. What it do? And today, you guys, I have a interesting little unboxing. So if you want to see what I got, then keep on watching. Okay. Alright, you all. So as you all may know, my birthday was like over a month ago, a month and a half ago, whatever. And I'm still purchasing stuff for my birthday. I am taking my time, you guys. I sold a lot of bags and things, and I don't want to re-hoard the space. So I'm just taking my time, making sure that I really want the stuff that I am purchasing. So if you all watched my recent vlog where I went to the mall and stuff, I was telling you that I bought a pair of shoes. So I was at Tory Burch, and I bought the Kira Sandals. I went because I've been on a pink kick lately, and I went to get the pink ones, you guys, but I don't know if it's the color in Tory Burch or the color of those shoes. It didn't work for the kids. So I got the black ones. You guys, these shoes are so cute and they're so comfortable. Now I do have a pair of black, I consider these like dad sandals. I do have a black pair by Sam Edelman. Y'all have walked the world in those shoes. I love them. They are the most comfortable shoes. Like, you can do Disney World. You can do like anything where you have to walk all day forever. Those Sam Edelmans are everything. But I wanted a little dressier pair. Now, I am a true size. I have wide feet. Not fat feet, not extra wide feet. But I'm a true 9.5. And I got these in 8.5. So to me, you have to try these shoes on, and they fit perfectly. So I did get these in black. Also, you guys, I bought some earrings to match these. I didn't like them. I'll pop a picture up on the screen. I did not like them, and they were a pair of earrings that I didn't see anybody with per se. And I didn't like them, so I returned those. So here's one thing that I got. Next, online perusing like always, and I was on Marc Jacobs, and I went to the little sale section because y'all know we got to shop the sale section first, right? And they had wallets on sale. So I got these are my favorite types of wallets, y'all, the ones that zip around. So I got this red zip around. What's the name of the girl? I don't know. It just has the product number on it. But I got the red zip around wallet. This is like $48 or something like that. I think it's originally $150. So I got this to match my baby love, my sport red tote bag. Y'all know I love this bag. So I got the matching card wallet to match her. Cute. And for $48, score. Okay, now, so I recently was at the doctor, of course. I was at the doctor for a doctor's appointment, and I was telling him I wasn't feeling well, so I wound up having to get hydration. While I was there, I was bored. I didn't have anything with me, my normal stuff that I use at the doctor. I didn't have any of that stuff with me. So, my phone, what did I do? Shop. I purchased 2 bags while I was sitting there getting hydration. One of them, it hasn't even shipped yet. I don't know what it's waiting on, but the other one, it arrived. So, let me just show you this one, and I'll show you the other one when it comes. So, of course, it is from Coach. It's not what you all think. I bet y'all think, y'all would never guess what this is. But let me show. Y'all, look how it's packaged. This better not be no Foolie Wayne. It's just, this is how it is. Like, I don't mind driving back to the store and return, and will do. So let me keep this in case it's some Foolie Wayne. This is not factory wrapped. This came from a store, and I don't like it. So I got the bum bag. Why is it not? This came from a store. I want one factory wrap. So I'm going to take this one back and get one that's factory wrap. I'm just anal like that. So anyway, I got the Denim Bumbag. The reason why I bought this, you guys, is because a few months ago, a couple of months ago, I bought this, the Michael Kors bum bag. Yeah, I was in this bag for 3 weeks. Up until this week when I went to the doctor, I was in this bag every day. When I say love, I never knew. Oh my God, like BFF for real. So I had to make myself get out of this, and I got in my Coach Lana. So when I saw this in the denim, I was like, yeah. It's smaller than the Michael Kors, but it's fine. I just don't like the fact that, how is this? Girl, we got to work this out. I got to figure out how to put this on or whatever. So it's just, let me come up, move this out of the way. Alright, this is how it looks, you all. It has silver hardware on here with navy blue leather. Well, leather pieces. It's leather right here, but this strap is not leather. I did not look at this when I was in store. Yeah, y'all. I don't know if somebody returned. This is going back, Jack. There's no stuffing. There's no But anyway, it has one pocket back here in the back. It has the little leather trim. And it just has this little section right here in the front. Now, my Michael Kors is significantly larger than this. I don't even carry a lot of stuff. But let's see. I gotta go find my purse. If the stuff that I usually carry can't even fit, okay? Alright, you all, for time's sake, I just grabbed some stuff that was around in here to see if it will fit. But this is stuff that I normally would carry. So, first things first, I usually don't put my phone in my bag. I keep my phone in my pocket or in my hand somewhere. So, and I'm team Android. So, my phone, my Galaxy something fits just fine in here. My keys, that has to go. I need some kind of little pouch of some sort. This pouch, my Louis Vuitton mini pochette, it will not fit with my phone in here. But it does fit. Will it zip? Let's see. Yeah, it does zip my little mini pochette. So let's just say I had my Tylenol and a lippy and mask and all that stuff in here. So that fits. This is my Gucci card case. That will fit. So if I didn't want to carry my card case with a zip around wallet like this, my Louis Vuitton zip around, love this wallet. It's a little snug, so I wouldn't per se carry a zip around. I would do a card case. And it all fits in here. Okay, so if you didn't want to have the mini pochette in here, it'll give you a little bit more room. Hold on. So if you just had your keys, because that's a necessity, of course, you take a card case. If you just put the other little stuff you need down in here, your phone will fit. What else else am I missing, y'all? My wallet, lippies, keys, phone. Those are your necessities, and it all fits inside. It's a great fit. It's very, very comfortable on my body. I think that it's just a little bit smaller than what I've gotten used to at the moment. I don't know. What do we think? What do we think? Now, my black one, I love her. I love the black one. But what do we think? I don't know. I think before, because this one is going back because I just don't like the way that it came to me, just for real. But before I return it, I'm gonna sit on it for like a day or two and see if I really can see myself using this in the spring and the summertime. Well, just in general, because it's denim, you can wear this whenever. So I'm going to sit with this and see if I can really see myself using this, or am I just going to keep my coins and get something else? Okay. It's cute though. What do we think, y'all? It's cute. Alright, you all. So that pretty much concludes this video. If you enjoyed, please give me a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love you all, and I will see y'all later.